Good evening, everyone. I'm continuing my talk from the book Goals by Brian Tracy. Last week, I covered two simple analogies to understand the importance of goals in our life. The great summary statement of all the religion, philosophy, psychology, self help book, and success is you become what you think about most of the time. Your outer world ultimately becomes the reflection of your inner world. Whatever you think about continuously emerges into the reality also. That's why most of the successful people keep their thoughts and conversation focused on their most intentionally desired goal. They think and talk about what they want most of the time. But to duplicate this thing in our life, we should have identified and written goals. That's how we can think about our goals all of the time and we can get it into reality also. Now, coming to today's talk, why people don't set the goals? First reason is very simple. They don't know the importance. There is a one group of people who don't know the importance of goals. That's why in my last talk, I covered two simple analogies to understand the importance. But there is a second group of people who don't know how to set the goals into first place. What I mean, they feel like they already have the goals, like being more happy, being more wealthy, being more healthy. But these are not the goals. These are merely wishes or dreams, which is common to everyone. A goal is something which can be measured, which is time bounded. A goal is a dream with a deadline. For example, being more wealthy is a wish or only dream everyone is having. But earning a specific source of income in a specific time is a goal we should have. Now, there is a third group of people who know the importance of goals, who know how to set the goals, but still they don't set the goals. Why? Because fear of failure, fear of rejection. They feel like, what if I set the goal and I don't achieve the target? Here I will tell you one thing. If you set the goal and try to achieve the target, chances are there that you may face failure. But if you don't even try to set the goal and try to achieve, you assure failure. There is no way to achieve the goal, to achieve the success without failing. So why to afraid of failing? Why to afraid of rejections? If you have that kind of fear, fear of failure, fear of rejection, you can read this amazing book, Failing Forward by John Maxwell. Previously, I have also covered 3 to 4 talks from this book, which can help you. So if I summarize my talk, the great summary statement of all the religion, philosophy, psychology, and self-help book is you become what you think about most of the time. Why people don't set the goals? There is a group of people who don't know the importance of goals. There is a second group of people who don't know how to set the goals into first place. And there is a third group of people who is having fear of failure, fear of rejection. I will end the talk with one thing, that living without a clear goal is like driving a car in a fog. Even if you are a good driver, even if you have the smoothest road, even if you have a very power pack car, you won't be able to drive it very fast. You will be driving very slowly, very hesitantly, and not making much progress. But having identified and written goals clears the fog. And then you can accelerate on your self growth. You can move into the direction of your dreams and you can achieve whatever you want in life. That's all from my side today. Thank you.